Right, hi there, this is Adrian here. This is this week's Trades of the Week for the week starting the 4th of February 2019. Had a few good trades come in last week and some nice profits there. A couple of those yen pairs, a bit of a variety actually, if truth be told. We've got 5 markets to have a look at today, 6 trades all in all, closing out last week over those 5 markets for a total profit of 680 pips. Let's have a look at those right now. And we'll start off with Euro Yen, an interesting one, having 2 buy trades on this one, both hitting target over the last day or two, one of which, the first one hitting target on Friday, second one hitting target today. Very unusual to have 2 trades on at the same time, but I have to say when it does happen, they tend to be pretty good ones, but certainly some nice profits there. The first one being a 96 point winner, the second one being 86 pip winner. So it's 2 good opportunities there. New Zealand yen as well, going on really nicely. So a couple of yen pairs in this week's Trades of the Week video. The buy there from the 23rd of January. Notice the big sniper disc on the chart. Really big visual stimulus to the trading opportunity there. It's not the only strategy we have here, but certainly it's probably the most eye-catching of the 2. And certainly a nice profit there of 96 pips there for our daily chart trading as well. Looking through to sterling New Zealand, a short trade here, so quite a few sterling pairs around turning at the moment. This one rotating from the 29th of January there. You see those indicators turning from green to red. Big sniper disc on the chart as well. Entry from the close of that candlestick there. Now this one was a 245 pip winner, so really nice profit for us there as well. Gold, a couple of continuation trades here as well, which is the other end of day trading strategy that we trade off. This one here giving us a buy opportunity there. So we just move in there. You can see it. What the continuation strategy is really doing is looking for a strong trending market, just jumping onto a strong trending market. You can see those green arrows on the left hand side denoting the longer term trends on the weekly and monthly chart. So we see we're resuming that longer term trend. So it's a continuation of the longer term trends. Get jumping on there for 101 point profit there. So that was a nice little sneaky winner for us, as well as New Zealand dollar, another continuation trade. Again, notice those longer term trends denoted by those arrows. Really easy to get it right and identify those trends clearly. This one quite a small winner for us there, just 56 pips, but a good profit as well there. So overall, like I say, around 680 pips. If you'd like to learn how to identify these trades, where we put stop losses, where we put targets, then somewhere on this page you're going to find a link to register for a free live trading webinar where we go through all of that good stuff, exactly how you can build a trading plan to help you to be successful with your trading, to help you to generate that extra income, to help you to achieve those financial goals. So get yourself booked in for one of our upcoming live events, and we'll look forward to seeing you online soon. All the best, and bye bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.